Page 16, Blues Streak. At the top of the page, they're introducing the 5-finger blues scale. Using 5 fingers, 5 notes, and it's a blues scale. Now we've already familiar, they're using C major as their example. You're already familiar with the E flat type thing. So in this blues scale, you have a E flat, F, G flat, G. Sounds weird, but that's a blues scale. That's a 5-finger blues scale. It's not the whole scale. It's just the out of the 5 fingers you have. Those are the notes. In C major. If you go to some other key, you're going to play the same pattern, but in that key. But we won't go there right now. Let's just focus on this for now. So if you look at this piece in the right hand, you will see that every note in this is part of the scale. So that's what we're going to do. Earlier on in a video, we talked about the difference between a rock style and a jazz style. In a rock style, rock rhythm, the 8th notes are even. They're exactly like they're written. But in a jazz style, the 8th notes are long short. In other words, we swing them. You could say we rock them, even though a rock style is even. We swing them. That is a long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short in jazz. Automatically. If it's a jazz piece and you see 8th notes, you just automatically swing them. Unless the music says to play evenly. Well, it's the same thing for blues. In a blues style, you automatically swing the 8th notes unless it says different. So from now on, I'm going to swing the 8th notes unless the music tells me otherwise. So in this blues streak, look at the 3rd measure over. It's written this way. I'm going to play it this way. Because that is a blues style. Now in blues streak, there's a note at the top there. You can hardly see it. It says play right hand 8VA on repeat. So instead of here, you're simply going to go up here. On the 2nd time through. And that's about it. I don't have anything new to say. You're just using this 5-finger blues scale in this piece. The left hand doesn't do much until the last couple of measures where it gets to play along with the right hand. They're both playing in octaves. Like so. So let's give this a try. I'll give us 4 counts, and again we're going to play it twice because when you repeat it you're going to move the right hand up an octave. You have a 1-beat rest at the end, so you got time to move the right hand up. The bottom of the page, they're giving you the electronic jamming settings. If you have an electronic keyboard, try those out. The rhythm, I recommend a jazz rhythm because that's the long, short here. The register, the synthesizer ensemble thing, I don't know what that is, but whatever. Something that sounds nice, I guess, to you. So go ahead and put your hands where they go. This is this way. That's actually the position. That's for the blues scale. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now the music at the bottom, that's for another person to play. So I'm going to play that music at the bottom, and you play the stuff that you just played, and you can play it like a duet with me. And again, I'm going to swing these eighth notes. I'm going to play them long, short, long, short. We'll do it in a jazz style. And you remember to repeat. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try this out. Make it a little more realistic. I've also sped the metronome up to 80. So this is a little faster than what we were doing. But by now you should be able to play it. You just want to play along with me. So put your hands where they go to start here. And 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, and go. And 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Repeat.